เราตัดดอกเก็บกวินเดอเวลาเราตัดดอกไม่อะไรตัวคันทรีปัลก็จะน่าไม่บูนโดนปราบเป็นไงเหรอต่อไปดูว่าเวิร์นตามปลายหยอบถึงปลาตกปานตกอันแต่หน้าแหนว่าย้อนตกแผ่เลยปลายหยอบก็มอินเอร์เตนั่นตัวปลาเรือนตัวกอดเอิญตัวกระมุยปลาตัวตำปลาเรือนตัวตำนับตำเช้าไปตำและไอจูลิชไอดันฮอร์ดันห้องเอฟตัวตำตัวน่ามีร์เราโดวันโตนี่โดมอมุพลาโอ้จะปลาตั้งแต่ไม่ยุงออกเกี่ยวมาวันโตตัวจริงตัวปลาเราลื่นไปทั้งเดือนลำบากคนใช้บ้าล้นดอกปลาตัวเหรอกี่เดือนตากวีนน้ำเหรอแล้วแหวอมชุบเวลาแต่อังเรานะตันฮอร์บางช่วงตัวฟรีเลยออกปลาเก่งตัวปลาเลยนี่ก็เรามือเราปราบอะไรกุดลุ่นปราบได้ตัวมือนั่นตัวออฟฟิศตัวตัดจับตัดเดียวทำตัดตัวปลาตัวลื่นตัวปราบตัวน่าตัววืนตามปลายย่อมีแบบนี้ไอ้ตัวรันตัวปลาแบบนี้มีน้ำสปาร์โรกว่าอุตสาหชอบ nhật là mùi nằm ra tầm tới để hơi sầu rồi cái độ âm mình vậy Ngân bà sơn bàn là truyền hệ đó ngân bà số bàn nữa không cam này fishing ngập à bao bánh tam bao tay đúng mầm bò vào chừng vào tay đúng ui lên nè bác ai ra nhỉ nên là cái bò vào với cái hai với bạn trả để sang anh ta là nghe âm dạ dạ kê tấm mập là út à út để kẹp dạ kẹp
It's wonderful to see you. Hey. Well, almost. Very exciting.
tấm mập út lên nâng
Great to see you. Oh yeah, well, I'm doing well. Hi, Isabella. It's lovely to see you. I guess I'll give you a hug too, sweetheart. You're all grown up too. Little by little, growing everybody. Taller and taller.
Yeah, Vicky, me, Randy, they are grown.
Do you know my son, Tommy?
I saw you post on Facebook. I saw him. I said,
6
oh my goodness.
foot 2.
Wow.
It's like this.
Tall and
6
football.
foot. I'm not a small person, but next to my son, I'm a small person.
Maybe when we stand next to him, maybe just like.
It's terrible. It's
I
terrible.
remember back then we took pictures.
I know, he was so cute, little boy.
2016.
Now he's 17,
Wow.
6 foot 2. He's gonna be a senior.
Now when we
Senior in
stand
high
next to
school.
him, maybe we just like.
Now, what about Randy? How old is Randy?
He's 13. He is 5'04", 5'4".
See?
Yeah.
He's getting
He's
tall
taller
too.
And Romy too.
Really?
Romy is the same like Randy high.
Really?
But Ricky is short.
So interesting.
Yeah.
When they were babies, Ricky was bigger.
Yes, Romy is
And
small.
Rami
Now
was
he's
little. I know.
now he's big and tall.
Well, this is so pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is this where the wedding will be?
I think it's right here.
Just gonna walk this right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty. I hope no one falls in the lake.
Isn't there?
Okay, we talk about it so it won't happen.
cháu quanh leo pan này
Lots
này
of bugs though. So we wear bug spray.
Kẹp tầm mập đang khẩn bằng anh tôi pala rơi nè cả đấy vậy zoom cả
Oh, it's a big fish. What kind of fish is it? Willow. Willow
It's
tree.
called willow.
Weeping willow. Like it's crying. Weeping.
They not go up and they go down.
Yeah. It's called
tam
weeping
ở
willow.
trái rất rất
And they grow by rivers and things. And there are a lot of them where I grew up. I don't see very many in North Carolina, so it's nice to see a willow tree. Yeah?
luôn tụ gà này có cái
Try one? You want to
ừ
try? Try
you
a grape?
try grape à okay yeah good
Here.
sweet
Sweetest grape.
yeah
Purple.
mhm
Wine grape.
That's pretty good. Or like one of these.
It's real. Yeah, it's real.
They got a seed.
Small seed.
A little seed. You swallow it or you spit it out. Either way.
well apply but that's fine
Let's see. I'm not sure what kind
Oh,
of
I'm sure. I'm sure they all swim everywhere.
It's sweet.
Oh, they'll swim over here, I betcha.
và tam si tur jai and there
It must have been new
cái là mà pri hai chữ tam một cái tam jai cái tam chri quá cái một hai đường bờ clean quá cọt nghịch pri hai hơi tam jai cái tam chri bờ bờ tam chri tar tay mưa rìm yum quá
Mungkin tam sri.
ở bên là hai nào đất lạp
Tam ya kira mà Việt Nam yang mau beli tam sri lại ngồi ở trên.
bao mà tam được kiểu đó
Dài, nó thật cái xịt dài.
Nhưng mà tao này chua là hai Việt Namแต่họ kia tao cao xì họ phải dùng chuông họ tao.
She said she's on the way.
Yeah.
A little behind us. That's weird. Where's he at? Well, it sure is pretty. You have to be waiting for somebody somewhere. This is a nice place to wait. That's right. And wine place over there too.
Yeah?
sit well nhé hello yeah good
Scissors so I can trim
Trim
this
it
guy.
up.